Today, we're diving into the colossal world of land vehicles, where size truly matters. From massive excavators to towering draglines, we'll explore the inspiring giants that dominate the heavy machinery industry. These machines aren't just big, they redefine the meaning of massive. So before further ado, join us as we take a closer look at the world's largest land vehicles, marveling at their sheer size, power, and engineering feats. Number 8. Caterpillar 797F. The Caterpillar 797F is a massive haul truck used in heavy construction and mining. It measures 15 meters in length and 9.7 meters in width. When fully loaded, it weighs 623.7 metric tons. The truck costs around £4.1 million, depending on its specifications and configuration. This truck is designed for hauling large amounts of material, with a payload capacity of 363 metric tons. It's one of the largest two-axle vehicles in the world. The Caterpillar 797F has been in service since 2008 and is equipped with a powerful 3,793 horsepower engine. It has a fuel tank capacity of 7,571 liters and can reach a top speed of 68 kilometers per hour. While it may not be the largest land vehicle, it's highly efficient for moving rubble and other heavy materials. When you need serious hauling power, the Caterpillar 797F is the truck for the job. Number 7. Heavy Gustav. The Schwerer Gustav, meaning Heavy Gustav in English, was an enormous gun made by the German company Krupp during World War II. It was meant to break through the French Maginot Line's defenses. But by the time it was ready, those defenses had already been destroyed. So, it was sent to the Battle of Sevastopol on the Eastern Front instead. This gun wasn't like any other. It was the biggest rifled weapon ever used in combat. Its barrel alone was 30 meters long. The shells it fired were each 7 tons in weight. To set up and fire the gun, hundreds of men were needed. Thousands more had to dig embankments and lay railway tracks for it to move. 2 whole flak battalions protected it from air attacks. Near the end of the war, the German army destroyed the Schwerer Gustav to keep it from falling into the hands of the Russians. It was a massive weapon, measuring 47.3 meters in length, 7.1 meters in width, and weighing 1,350 tons. Number 6. Missile Crawler Transporter Facility. The NASA Crawler Transporter is the biggest land vehicle globally, but it's also the slowest. It can go only 1.6 kilometers per hour. Despite its speed, it moves the fastest vehicles in the world. There are 2 of these vehicles made in the 1960s. They transport spacecraft from the Vehicle Assembly Building at Florida's John F. Kennedy Space Center to Launch Complex 39 for liftoff. The crawler transporter measures 40 meters in length and 35 meters in width. It weighs 2,721 tons. It's powered by 2 diesel engines, each with a power of 2,750 horsepower. These engines drive 4 generators, each with a power of 1,341 horsepower. These generators power 16 traction motors. They've transported famous vehicles like the Saturn V rocket, which carried Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin to the moon. They also transported the Space Shuttle from 1981 to 2011. These vehicles are among the largest self-powered vehicles globally. Number 5. Overburden Conveyor Bridge F-60. The F-60 is a massive land vehicle, measuring 502 meters in length and 241 meters in width, weighing a whopping 13,600 tons. It's like moving a small mountain, with 760 wheels. It's built for stability and strength. This behemoth, often called the horizontal Eiffel Tower, holds the title of the world's largest land vehicle. Imagine something as long as over half a kilometer. It's truly a sight to behold. Designed for a specific purpose, the F-60 is used to clear away layers of material, known as overburden, from immense open shaft mines. Each pass, it can remove up to 60 meters of material, hence its name. Despite its colossal size, the F-60 operates efficiently with the power of external electricity, generating a staggering 35,000 horsepower. It takes a crew of 14 skilled individuals to manage this engineering marvel. Number 4. Bagger 293. The Bagger 293, a massive bucket wheel excavator, boasts impressive dimensions. It stretches out to a length of 225 meters, spans a width of 46 meters, and reaches a towering height of 94.5 meters, weighing a colossal 14,200 tons. It holds the title of the world's largest land vehicle. This gigantic machine is not only colossal in size but also in its capabilities. Its enormous wheel, with a diameter exceeding 21 meters, is equivalent to the height of a 5-story building. This wheel is equipped with 18 buckets, each with a capacity of 5 tons, intended for hauling vast amounts of rubble and earth from mining sites. Every day, the Bagger 293 undertakes an astonishing feat. It removes a staggering 85,000 tons of earth, which is approximately the weight of 34,000 great white sharks. This remarkable capacity makes it the most prolific land vehicle ever constructed, demonstrating its vital role in the mining industry's operations. Number 3. Marion 6360. Marion 6360, also referred to as the Captain, was a colossal power shovel manufactured by the Marion Power Shovel Company, constructed in 1965. It stood as one of the most massive land vehicles ever created, surpassed only by certain dragline and bucket wheel excavators, initially employed by the Southwestern Illinois Coal Corporation. The shovel underwent a change in ownership when Arch Coal acquired the company, although its operational duties continued at the mine. Its color scheme transitioned to red, white, and blue. The shovel served Arch Coal effectively until September 9, 1991, when a fire erupted in its lower works. This fire originated from a burst hydraulic line, dispersing hot fluids onto an electrical relay panel. The resultant damage to both the lower works and machine house was substantial. Subsequent assessments by engineers from Arch and Marion Power Shovel concluded that the damage was irreparable. Consequently, 1 year later, the machine was scrapped at the site of its final excavation. Marion 6360 had a counterpart, the Marion 5960M Power Shovel, also known as the Big Digger, which operated at Peabody Coal Company's River Queen surface mine in Central City, Kentucky, featuring a 125 cubic yard bucket attached to a 215-foot-long boom. It was the second largest machine ever manufactured by Marion Power Shovel and the third largest shovel globally. This sister shovel met its fate in early 1990, when it was scrapped in Muhlenberg County, Kentucky. Number 2. Bell AZ 75710. This enormous haul truck, known as the Bell AZ 75710, is colossal. It measures over 20 meters in length, which is equivalent to the length of 2 double-decker buses parked one after the other. Standing at 8 meters tall and nearly 10 meters wide, it's a towering presence. Built for a Russian mining company, this behemoth weighs a staggering 360 tons, surpassing the weight of a fully loaded Airbus A380 passenger plane. Despite its immense size, it boasts a payload capacity of 450 tons, making it the largest haul truck in the world with the highest payload capacity. The Bell AZ 75710 gained such fame that it was honored with its own special edition postage stamp in Belarus, where it was manufactured. This stamp commemorated its significance and contribution to the mining industry. With its massive proportions and unparalleled capabilities, the Bell AZ 75710 remains a symbol of engineering prowess and innovation in the field of heavy machinery. Number 1. Dodge Power Wagon. In the finale of our countdown, we introduce a unique vehicle owned by Sheikh Hamad, a colossal replica of the classic 1950s Dodge Power Wagon. This mammoth weighs over 50 tons and boasts a complete apartment setup inside. Within, you'll find 4 air-conditioned bedrooms, a living room, a bathroom, and a terrace at the tailgate. It's no wonder this truck holds the record for being the largest pickup truck ever built. Compared to the original Dodge Power Wagon, this truck is a whopping 64 times larger. Its wheels are sourced from an oil rig transporter, and it even features a windscreen wiper borrowed from an ocean liner. Despite its immense size, this vehicle is fully operational and is registered for road use in Abu Dhabi. In conclusion, the world's largest land vehicles, like Marion 6360 and the Schwerer Gustav, showcase the incredible feats of engineering that have shaped our industrial landscape. These colossal machines, though now retired, leave an enduring legacy of innovation and capability. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more captivating content, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts.